to use this VPN application here like a pro state. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy layout. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So at the top here, you pretty much can see the subscription page where it says big sale. The top on that option, this is where you're able to get their premium subscription. They do offer a 3 days free trial, which you can try their premium subscription. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can see the prices for each of these. You have one here, and this is a weekly subscription. You can get a 30-day free trial as well, but if I tap on this option here, or tap on the lines over here, then tap on 30-day free trial, and you can pretty much, they will tell you pretty much how you can get a 1 month premium subscription for free. And well, it's not really free, but pretty much explains itself here. So that's pretty much it for that. So the server section, pretty much at the top on the smart select server down here, tap on that option, and this is where you can find all the servers that they have. So this section here, you have the free servers, you have the premium server section over here, and you have the premium plus. So these are extremely fast server over here, and as well they do support streaming websites like Netflix, pretty much all those streaming websites. So you can scroll down and look for what you want. And as I can see here, there's quite a lot of servers which do support streaming websites. So the premium servers are very fast. They do support some streaming websites as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So whichever server you want to use in the middle of the premium subscription, you can go in the premium subscription section and select your server. If you do want them to select the best server for you, then go over the premium section and select the smart select server. It will automatically select the best premium server for you. So since you don't have any subscription, you have to use the free servers. But the free servers are quite fast. So let's say, for example, I want to use United States server. All I have to do is just tap on it. It will ask me for connection request. Once I tap on the OK, pretty much good to go. VPN will be connected in no time. That's how easy it is to get connected to this VPN and stay protected while browsing the internet. So very easy application to use. And in the settings option here, you have the mark GPS location. I do recommend to enable this feature so you get a accurate location as when you're using the VPN connection. So the advanced settings, I do recommend to leave that if you don't know much about VPN. The VPN works great as it is. So that's pretty much it, my families. Anything, comment below and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.